Hello everyone, this is Devlina here and I'm just making this video to convey my gratitude of thanks to Shitish and team, that is Event Hunger, and this video is all about regarding yesterday live session. So to go further into it, I just want to dedicate a few lines to all my favorites, my whole soul artists with whom I have been in touch with them since 2019. These lines are from my favorite, A Band of Boys. हो जब से बने हम और तुम हम सफर होने लगा सांसों में गहरा असर तेरे बिना सुना सफर आ जाओ ना आ जाओ. So these lines are always touched to my heart as because I stay far away from Mumbai, but my heart solely is connected with Mumbai, and that is why in my Facebook bio also it's written in love with a band of boys and half a life in Mumbai. So like I am very much overwhelmed that I have got so much love and respect from you all, and like whatever I try to do, I always try to do it from my heart. And now from band of boys, like I have got connected to some more beautiful people in my life like UV, Samiksha and all are there. Now the thing is that like regarding yesterday's live session, I am solely so much overwhelmed that I cannot express it in words. I am so much thankful to Sitish, Sherry Dada and Anchor Ashish, and yesterday Devang was not there, but I have been in connected to him via this Insta live sessions. So coming to the point now, yesterday like in the live session means I have came across a small point of discussion, that is regarding the followers, the list of the followers or the counts of the followers. See, I'm not such a legendary figure or means such a means hi-fi artist that I'll give my inputs on that or opinions on that. But yes, like after watching the video several times, yesterday night also and today morning also, I have watched it around 3 to 4 times. Like whatever it came to my heart, I'm just expressing that right now. Means this Instagram or Facebook, these all are a virtual world, so hardly it makes any sense here like how much people are following you and how much followers are coming to your live streaming or live session. It's nothing like that. Means it's simply a connectivity, what I feel. See, now truly speaking, I am accessing Instagram since 2017. Okay, since 2000, fair enough, since 2017 I am handling Instagram. So when I was a child, my favorite serial was Jessie Koi Nahi, and from there I came to know about Apurva Agnihotri and Mona Singh. So I just followed them, simply followed them, and nothing more than that. But like means I have never followed these all those big artists like Hrithik Roshan, that Bollywood superstars or whatever, like in your field they are recognized to be, because they doesn't have any importance in my life, frankly speaking. Okay, fine. Like sometimes I watch their movies and all. It's up to that only, but nothing like that. But this connectivity with you all, suppose Sitish and the team, like the team also with Event Sangha team also. I am recently connected with them. Uh, but that the thing that ownness is far means prejudice in my heart, that feelings, that emotions, that respect. Maybe like today I am giving time, whatever it is, I am giving time to like you all or Band of Boys or like whoever is owed in my heart. But I don't think so I'll give time to Hrithik Roshan or Shah Rukh Khan, because already they are means what to say, overpacked with followers. अब जिसके पास इतना सारा फॉलोअर्स भर भर के है, मैं क्यों फॉलो करूँ उन लोगों को, मैं क्यों सपोर्ट करूँ? Hardly makes any sense. So I don't know what people feel about this, but from my heart, whatever is there, I am telling with the depth of my heart. Like, enough I have got from you guys. Like, I'm very much blessed, I'll say that. Starting from Band of Boys, that also happened like because the first person in my life was Karan Oberoi. From Karan I came to know about Band of Boys. From Band of Boys I came to know about UV. From UV I came to know about someone else. So it is happening in this way. The networking is increasing, but my target is not that means doing this and then someday I'll just get connected to some other like artist on a very glamorous ground. I have no such intention also, and I have no such curiosity also of about them, like which movie they are going to release and what they are doing and not doing. Yes, but the curiosity I have is that about Band of Boys, when their new song is going to get released, or like what is their next program, means what is their next planning, or like Karan, as because Karan is an actor also, like means when his new album or new song is going to get released, or like means when his new web series is going to release. So these all things, like truly it is from my heart, and my best wishes are always with you. And I'm very much thankful for yesterday's live session also, because I have got so much, means what to say, like I won't say this to be importance, but I'll say that that particular emotions, like you people have given me, means it literally, I just got tears to my eyes yesterday. And the most beautiful part is that, like with UV I am connected since 2019, but till date, means I never had a phone call with him, only via messages, like we are communicating. But yesterday when means this Event Hunger team, they gave me the opportunity to means get connected with UV on a live session particularly, means it was something like a dream, sort of thing. And UV, I'm truly blessed, I'll tell you, that the affections like which you have given me yesterday, and in general that's fine, but yesterday was something, it was very special for me. And especially singing in front of you, means I cannot think, it was something like some fantasy happened with me, and rest you know, or my heart knows, truly speaking. And regarding Sitish, I'll tell you that though I have my own younger brother, but you owe some a very different place in my heart. I don't know like how I got connected to you, but means maybe via in Facebook friend request or whatever, but the bonding which has been inbuilt with you, that's very different, very different. Like before also I told you about my past incidents, and now also like I'm telling you that I'm very much fortunate that I've got such a helpful brother like you. And through your circle I came to know about Sherry Dada and Ashish Devang. And Ashish I'm thankful to you for yesterday. And Devang, like hardly I think I have interacted with him. And Sherry Dada, maybe like I am calling you Dada as I don't have my elder brother, like I don't have my elder brother, but I got that scope to say someone like my Dada. And regarding Band of Boys, that everyone knows, like how what position they hold in my heart. I'll tell like my writings and all, it's only for them. The video editing, the craziness of video editing, what which I have got in me right now, as of now, is only for Band of Boys. Like whatever I used to do for them, whatever I used to make for them, whether it is good, whether it is bad, they never judged anything for me. Yes, one particular thing, like Sherin always used to say me, Devlina, you just sing from the heart, that's more than enough. And Danny, he will always scold me like when I send him some videos and all, because he literally wants me to improve myself. But Chintu is like my brother only. He is also like my elder brother only. And for him, I got connected to his daughter also, and she is very sweet. Even at a very young age, like she is owning her small business. So if you all can please get connected to her business account, maybe she might get some support in that. And Karan is like my idol. I cannot say anything about Karan because he knows like what I feel for him. These things literally just few minutes back I had a call with Sitish, and I was telling him that I am getting restless to upload this video on Insta because yesterday night also I couldn't sleep properly. And like what to say, and moreover Samiksha, Sudhanshu, and they are also very good to me. I see अभी अगर इतने लोगों के बारे में एक एक करके बोलती रहूँगी ना, मेरा फ़ोन का मेमोरी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. And repeatedly I am just transferring all the data to my laptop, and I am deleting everything from my phone, as because I think so there is some problem also in my phone, like I need to get a new phone most probably. But anyways, and from Band of Boys I got connected to Gorisha also. She is also a very sweet friend of mine, and she cares for me a lot, I'll say that. And like, and even Amit Matre, he is also a good friend of mine. He is one of the best drummer I have came across in my life. I never had craziness regarding these musical instruments before. Guitar also I tried, but my nails used to get black, so I left guitar. And drums I got that fascination after I heard the beats from Matre. Awesome, Matre, you are awesome. And that also I got connected through Panda Boys only. And like Sharin, he always keeps on calling me, come to circuit and we'll have a good time. And yeah, okay, I'll just try. And this is all I just wanted to say. Like it is nothing, like whatever I told, it just owed from my heart and nothing else. And means I'm just waiting, desperately waiting for the time like when I can meet up with all of you in persons. And this is the day I am waiting very desperately. Either it is a show or a personal meet or whatever it is. I just want to meet you all. And UV, like once again, I'm very much thankful to you. Like you have been one of the very like what to say, very true friend, I'll say to you. You are one of the most kindest and the true friend I have ever got in my life. And this is what I just wanted to say to all of you, and my best wishes are always with you all. I'm always there for you all. And I do understand like this artist line, it's not an easy line. So means it's okay, fine, but anytime it's not possible for you people also to revert back or whatever it is. I understand that phase. So this is why. But until and unless, means what to say, like you people will always be in my heart till the last breath of my life. Thank you so much.